gone for 18 days, recharging the batteries and going away for some quiet time in the mountains and hiking and biking and visiting, and just had a great time and recharged. And I do want to thank y'all that knew about my mother passing away on July 5th. We've had so many nice emails and calls, and I think it's hard for anyone to lose their mother, but mine was a big encourager in my career, and I was always anxious to know how business was going when I talked to her or visit. And like she's been with me my whole life, so it's going to be tough. But I do thank each one of you that for the kind notes, and because we all know we've all lost loved ones. But let's get right to where we are in gold and silver. We're in the quietest 2 months of the year, June 15th to August 15th, and it's almost like yawning. The technical charts come to a stop. We usually get a drop between middle of June and middle of July, not always. We've got that drop this year about $40, $50 in gold. And now we're seeing the premiums soar. Because what happens, these trained wholesalers, when they feel that the market's going to drop in that time frame, they short the market like the bad guys to cover their inventory. Because when inventory goes down in value, they've got to have a way to make it up, so they make it up by shorting and doing the same thing that J.P. Morgan and other major companies are doing. But here's what's incredible. The premiums go up, not down, when they do that and cover it, because they didn't lose anything on their inventory, so the premiums go back to normal. I have sent out today, as I filmed this on July the 11th, from a few specials we have at very good price, but we think the major movement will start around August 15th. And every year, I've been in business 42 years, we've seen September and October as the best 2-month combination. Not every year, but about 40 out of 42. So we're setting up for another good gain in the fall. Remember last year we went up 12.4% on gold and about 5% on silver. This year gold is down 4% for the year through right now, and silver's down about 3%. So both of them are down this year. But when you look at the deficit, the exploding debt under Trump, you look at tax revenues down, you look at nobody buying our debt, the Fed's having to buy it and monetize it, we're printing money at record rates. We know there'll be another interest rate hike, and we know it's good for gold, as I point out in this show on numerous occasions. So don't get too stressed out. And lastly, there'll be an announcement coming via our constant contact list of the new silver coin in the marketplace, the 1 ounce silver Krugerrand, that will follow the identity of the gold Krugerrand that's been around since 1976. When I started this company in 1976, most of what I sold was Krugerrands. American Eagles were non-existent. It was either bars, or if you wanted coins, it was Krugerrands or maple leaves. So it's an exciting time, and we'll have information out to you, because probably the Krugerrand silver coin, like the silver maple leaf, will be the 2 most sought after coins in the world market. Not necessarily the U.S. market, but the world market. So we'll have that information out soon. So as things change, we'll be in touch. We just wanted to say hello and let you know after missing the past 2 weeks, we're back and we can be reached at 800-247-2812. And for the ones of you that are looking for a precious metals self-directed IRA, give us a call. We'll show you how to set that up, or transfer, where you can have physical gold and silver, platinum and palladium in your self-directed IRA. We can function as your representative and your broker and go through and talk about the percentages of each. So once again, if you haven't talked to us about that and are interested, you can reach us at 800-247-2812. With this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing in.